Hello, my name is Ankit Alex Sansta, UR15CS258, and I'm making this video to explain about the fourth experiment of Java Lab. The topic is use of inheritance, and the aim of this experiment is to get the input of uh, few items from a shopping mall and create an invoice. So here we will use the concept of constructor overloading and function overriding. So we have a base class purchased item, so it has few attributes, that is unit price and name, and these are all private. It has its getter setter, and we have a function to we have, first of all, we have a constructor to default constructor to initialize all the values to no item or 0, and we have a argumented constructor to accept any values in the objects and assign them to the attributes. Moving on, we have getter setter, and we have also a two string function. This is an overridden function from the base class of Java, and what this does is whenever its object is called, this whatever is returned by the two-string function is directly printed. Now moving on, we have of purchase class, we have two children class, that is counted weight and counted item and weighed item. So counted item deals with all the items which are counted, and accordingly their final price, I mean their total, is calculated. And weighed item deals with all the items which are weighed, and accordingly its total cost is calculated. So as you can see, in counted item we have first of all made an attribute with num, which accepts the number of items which has to be purchased. We got the getter setter, and now we have made a constructor, default constructor, and an argumented constructor. The default constructor calls the default superclass constructor, whereas the argumented constructor accepts the datas of the superclass attributes and passes it by calling the superclass argumented constructor, and also assigns the values to the current attribute. Similarly, in the weighted class, we have a default constructor, an argumented constructor, and getter setter for weight and all. Now moving on to the final main. In main, we get the data and and pass the values accordingly, and we call the object and print the data accordingly. So if we, as you can see, we have passed 3.0 banana and all, and its weight. And in counted item, we have also pass the cost, base price, the name of the item, and also the number of the item, and finally printed it. As you can see, we are printing only system.out.print ob2. Here this ob2 is only the object, so the two-string function will be called and the values returned will be directly printed. So let's try running this program. So as you can see, we are getting the desired output, and so our program is running successfully. Thank you.